But if we're going back to what we came here for, the use of AI, if there was some type of a daily program written specifically for that child based on that disability, based on the agreed upon accommodations, modifications of in the IEP, that's almost like a script that we could use and just follow the script.
Were you involved in any kind of inclusion situations where the kids were actually in as a regular day class and were actually participating along
Right?
with
No,
able
I've
peers?
been in both, Scott, where
Yeah.
we've had full inclusion where we did a co-taught model for a long time. And so that would be where, again, a student, maybe a minimal contact, but they needed some type of supports in the classroom, note taking, if I had to read a test to them. So that would be kind of like an accommodation. Next thing would be if the teacher said, hey, listen, that student requires less tests on the exam. I would get the original exam and then I'd modify it. There'd be less questions. Maybe I'd take away a choice. So that would be a modification. And then I would be also in a class, a resource level class, to be able to say the curriculum has been modified to meet the needs of the current students. And so when I'm doing that, I could have students on my caseload. Now, when you said pull out, I think that would be a pullout would be for various things, but it might be, hey, listen, I'm going to do a math calculation quiz or test, but I need the data so that I could say in the progress of the IEP, Makoto given a teacher made exam of 20 questions, he was successful 18 out of 20, or you could use a percentage, 65% of the time. Now that's data we're using to continue going. That's the level that I would work with.
I'm going to do an acronym check for the audience. An IEP, for those that do not know, is an individualized education program. So I just wanted to state that for the podcast audience that they knew when we say IEP, that's what we're talking about. So what were some, when you were in inclusion classrooms, what would you say the biggest challenge in that environment was? Like, where did you really see a lot of struggles?
The struggles when in the inclusion, when it was full inclusion, would almost be the amount of comprehension the student in special education was expected to retain.
Yeah.
When they went to a full inclusion model, that's what made it more difficult. When they took away the basic level classes and said, we know Johnny is a basic level biology student, but we're going to put him in full inclusion level biology.
Yep.
And that biology teacher, who's the expert, that's the curriculum expert, that's the subject expert, is going to deliver the information, at 35 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, the kid sitting next to me is used to him covering that information coming at 10 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So is that teacher repeating themselves? Is that teacher reteaching the topic? Because everybody else in the class is moving on. But Johnny's sitting here going, I don't know what they want. And you're like, I get that. So I'm sitting there going, okay, I'm going to try to break this down in 30 minutes, what that lady taught in 15, and I got to reteach her to do something. So I think that dynamic was where there was problem, is to take what that teacher was delivering at this speed and break it down so it's just a little bit slower. But then you run the risk, if the class moves on, did they pick up and comprehend it so they could move on? And I think that dynamic was difficult.
I'm curious, in video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company Impact, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore? And how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.